In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use your overdraft money on Lloyds Bank. An arranged overdraft with a Lloyds Bank allows you to borrow money up to an agreed limit through your current account, serving as a short-term safety net for unexpected expenses or to bridge gaps between your paydays. Now, first thing you need to do is apply for an arranged overdraft. So first you have to select the bank account which you want to apply for your overdraft. So you can select your bank accounts from here, such as your club's Lloyds or Lloyds Easy Saver. You just need to tap on the account name. Then you just have to click on this three dot menu from the top right corner of your account page. Then on this options you have to click on this overdraft. After that, you will be able to see this screen where you have your overdraft overview. If you haven't applied for the overdraft, it will give you the option to apply for it. And once your request has been approved, Lloyds will confirm your overdraft limit. Once set up, you can spend beyond your account balance up to the agreed limit, and your agreed limit will be displayed right here, such as this £1,000 limit. For my account, overdraft funds can be used for various transactions, including the purchases, bill payment, and cash withdrawal with your Lloyds Bank debit card and your account on online or offline. So I hope this video was helpful. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel.